Sir, please.
What is the name they wrote there?
This thing will not fall. Hello, can we have a quiet? Let's have please. There's a lot of noise. Please.
Tell us what will be the fire-rated implication of the ruling. You were not allowed your prayers. Just give us what will be the likely implication of this. What's the next step? What's the next step?
Well, yes, he will. Yeah.
Well, thank you. Yesterday we didn't talk to you because there was no need. Well, the ruling is not as devastating as we may be thinking of. It was just a request to put one or two questions to INEC. And in the wisdom of their lordships, they said the application ought to have been filed earlier. And so because it was not filed earlier, the characteristically as Judas should do, they struck it out. So there is no devastating consequences as you may be thinking of, because there are many ways to kill the rat. And then we'll have other ways to invite INEC to come and answer the questions. So we will do it. I will discuss with our clients, but what is the necessity for it? When there are many ways to go to Lagos.
So to be specific, sir, what are these questions and who are these?
No, we won't argue and tell you what those questions are. We have, we wanted to put certain questions to INEC, and we didn't file the application within time.
With regards to ICT experts?
With regards to the purported technical glitch, how it affects only presidential and did not affect National Assembly. But that's beside the point. I was thinking that you were going to be interested in the video that were played.
That was simple. So tell us about the video.
Well, you were in court. You saw it. Our case is that the election, the promises that INEC made to Nigerians through its national chairman and other principal officers of the commission, those promises, as you saw in those videos, were not kept. And I was particularly, you saw there that a prominent national commissioner said that they were all not happy. You saw that. So that's all that we wanted Nigerians to see. Contrary to what the petition is here, that transmission of results is not real time. There's no need for it, electronically transmitted result and so on and so forth. That's all that we just brought for their lordship to take a judicial look at it, devoid of any other thing. The other one was the date of nomination. From the video, from the candidates of the APC himself, you will discover that he said in his word that he went to inform Mr. President of the choice of his running mate, and that was on the 10th of July, 2022. So we just brought it for the court to make up his mind, together with other exhibits we are going to produce to show what our contentions are. That's all that we have done. And the law allows us to play those videos. You know that documents don't lie. Human beings can lie, but documents cannot.
Will there be other videos apart from this one?
More will come, and you will see it.
Thank you very much.
So I'm sure that the admission to technical glitches and the rest of them, you are a best judge. You can judge it. Thank you.